Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss how to set up Linksys Velop WHW0302B mesh Wi-Fi system. Steps to follow before begin. Step 1. Unpack your Linksys Velop system and gather all nodes in same room as your modem. Once you complete the setup process, you can change the location. Step 2. Remove your existing router. You need to connect one of the Linksys Velop parent node direct to the modem in order to get the internet connectivity. What if Wi-Fi router and modem combined in one device? Before connecting the cable power cycle your modem and Linksys parent node, create a wired connection between the Linksys Velop parent node and modem using an Ethernet cable. Make sure the cable connected properly between the modem and Linksys Velop. There are two Ethernet ports on the Linksys Velop as shown in picture. You can connect one end of Ethernet cable to any of them and use it as dedicated internet port. Connect other end of the Ethernet cable at the back of your modem internet port, yellow color, as shown in picture. Do not reset the modem ever. You may lose your internet connectivity. Add Velop child nodes. Bring Linksys Velop nodes near to the parent node, no more than 10 feet away, and connect them to power. The Velop node starts to blink and purple light means ready to set up. If node's not blinking purple, press and hold reset button for about 15 seconds. Open a desktop browser and go to https://192.168.1.1 or use myrouter.local. Click on the mobile image to bypass the blocking page. Create a new password. If this is your first time, click Reset Password, enter the recovery key of the parent router when prompted, and create a new router password. Then click Sign In. Once you create a new password, you will land on the dashboard. Scroll to the bottom and click on the CA link. In the next page, click on Connectivity. Now you get an option of CA Router Setup tab, click on that. Customize your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password, case sensitive, then click on Setup node. The light on top of the parent router will begin to flash. Once you see your new Wi-Fi name broadcasting, connect to it to continue setup. You will now see that your master node is now configured message. Now check if your parent router is online. If the light on the parent router is solid blue and your router is online,